You're broke not because you're lazy. You're broke because you're waiting to feel ready, waiting for motivation, waiting for the right moment. That moment is never coming. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings fade. The students who build wealth early don't feel motivated. They built a system that works even when they don't want to show up. And today I'm giving you that exact system. 3 steps, no excuses. Let's go. Most young people do this backwards. They earn money, they spend money, they save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Here's what actually works. The second money hits your account, a percentage leaves automatically. You don't see it, you don't touch it, you don't miss it. Even if it's $5, even if it's 10, doesn't matter how small it is. What matters is the habit is running without you. You don't need motivation to save money. If the money is already gone before you can spend it, this one shift changes everything. Open your phone right now. Check your subscriptions. I promise you there is at least one thing you are paying for that you completely forgot about. A streaming service, an app, a gym membership you haven't used since January. Cancel it today, not tomorrow. That money goes straight to your automated savings. You won't feel the pain of losing it because you already forgot it existed. Most people waste $60, $80, sometimes $100 a month on things they don't even use. That's not a money problem, that's an attention problem. Fix your attention and you fix your money. Saving is not enough. Money sitting in your bank account is money slowly dying. Inflation eats it every single year. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need thousands of dollars. You need to start today. Index funds, ETFs, even a basic investment app. Put something in every month automatically. In 10 years, you won't believe you almost didn't start. The students who retire early didn't have more money than you. They started earlier than you. That's the only difference. You will never feel motivated enough. Not today, not next month, not next year, but your system doesn't care how you feel. It runs anyway. Automate first, cut the waste, invest what's left. That's it. That's the whole system. The only question now is, will you set it up today or will you keep waiting? Because every single day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. And trust me, that's a debt you don't want to pay later.